Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Matcha Oreo Brownies. Matcha brownie sounds delicious already, but I'm putting some Oreo cookies on top. And you can easily transform your regular brownie into matcha brownie. Let me show you how. These are what you need. 100-gram white chocolate, 50-gram sugar, 50-gram all-purpose flour, 10-gram matcha powder, 50-gram butter, 1 egg, and some Oreo cookies. I'm breaking down the white chocolate into pieces. Let's put the butter. And I'm going to microwave this until these are nice and creamy. I microwaved it about 1 minute over 500 watt. Now it's nice and creamy. Let's add sugar and mix. Then egg and mix. Then I'm going to shift this mixture of flour and matcha powder in here. Mix it well. I have this mold covered with parchment paper ready to go, and I'm preheating my oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put this into the mold. And Oreo cookie all over. Let's bake this in the preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes. It's been baked for 30 minutes and cooled down. Let's cut and see how it looks inside. Nice and fudgy. It's good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy baking and eating this matcha Oreo brownies. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!